Buying groceries has become as expensive as eating out every day. Like, it's not even really saving you any money anymore at all. And it's annoying. I am back. I am dressed, running in a few minutes late for the open house. But I have another team member that is already there at the open house. So I'm just coming in with the snacks and our sheets and everything that we need. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch. I do it all. I won't cry, was getting through. I'm not long if you joking now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinning through it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. Alright, y'all, so I just wrapped up the open house. It was a great turnout. I think we in all had about 7 families that came. 4 out of the 7 were extremely interested on placing an offer on the property, so we'll see how that goes. It's always really, really good to do open houses as a newer agent, because that is a great way to build up your leads, your database, right? We are nothing without our lead database. So right now, y'all, if y'all don't know, I'm pretty sure y'all don't, I love muscadines. So this is the last day that a town in Laurinburg, North Carolina is going to have their muscadine farm. So I'm headed over about 20 minutes away to get me some muscadines. And they also do muscadine slushies, and one of my team members were telling me about the slushies, so I'm super excited to try these slushies. Anything muscadine, you got me. You got it, okay? So I am super excited. I know I look crazy. I don't know what happened to, oh look, this is Habitat for Humanity. Habitat for Humanity is building a whole community of new homes. If you don't know what Habitat for Humanity is, it's basically affordable housing, so people are able to afford homes. Right, y'all, I just got to the Muscadine Farm, so I'm gonna give y'all a quick glance. We just left the Muscadine Farm. The Muscadine Farm is jumping. It's so many cars coming in and out. Of course, it's the last day. Well, actually, yesterday was technically the last day of the season. So I guess everybody trying to get their last little bit of muscadine until next August, into August, September. So I got 2 cases. I got the purple case, and then I have the purple case and the green muscadine case. And then I have a slushy. I'm about to show y'all in just a second. So here's the slushy. Yeah! And I'll let y'all know how it tastes. I'm driving, so I'm gonna have to catch y'all when I get back home. Bye. It is Alex Dixon, your trusted realtor, and we are here with another video. So y'all, I decided that I wanted to do Vlogtober, and that's going to help me stay on track. So y'all gonna have a lot of unfinished vlogs. Like, I'm just kidding. It will probably go over to the next day. But I feel like this is a way to help me get in the rhythm of being consistent. Even if I fall off after that month, I'll still know, okay, I need to post this amount of videos this week, or you know what I mean? So I feel like this will help me stay on track. So before you watch this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. So what do y'all feel about Vlogtober? Like, let me know. I don't know. Sorry, y'all, I ran out of storage on my phone. So right now I'm doing laundry. So I may just prop y'all up so y'all can see me just doing a little bit of laundry. And then we'll move over to the kitchen. So I'm almost like running late. I have to go to the gym today. I have to get in the gym. And then we'll go over like what we got to do today.
See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting.
Okay, y'all, so I didn't even get a chance to like finish vlogging. I did a lot of stuff while I was out. I went over to Best Buy, got an iPad because I needed to get it because it's gonna help me edit. Like, I'm already editing 2 vlogs right now on my iPad. It's so much easier versus me going upstairs to get on my my big computer. Picked Callie up from school, did some admin work, and then my client called. I mean, well, not my client. She wanted to check on an offer, so I had checked on an offer with the listing agent, and we lost the offer. Aww. And it was a really great offer. Like, I'm really, really upset about it. Like, but she was pretty understanding. They're actually relocating from Nevada, so yeah, I just get annoyed when stuff like that happens. Like, that was a really good offer, so I don't know why you did that. But anyway, it is what it is. So we are back on the search right now. I am about to start cooking dinner. And I'm also super excited because I actually got another SD card. So I'm gonna be able to record longer. Like, I had, I think, the 32 gigs. And I would literally record like 30 minutes worth of videos and then I'm out of storage. So now I got 2 cards. So I'm really, 2 cards and an iPad. Like, I'm really a YouTuber and I'm missing the ring. That's crazy. I was supposed to go work out. I did not work out. So I'm trying to potty train. I'm gonna have to put y'all on some B-roll while I get myself together. You need to get yourself together. Like, seriously, this is crazy.
Like I will, my only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal, and you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still, tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out, dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I would care for you, I keep thinking you just don't know, trying to run from that, say you're done with that, on your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready, when all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me.
Hey y'all, it's the end of the day. This is the end of the vlog. We're just gonna close out. This will be the first vlog thus far, so this probably will come out on Vlogtober day 3. This will be the first vlog that I've closed out. I look rough. I'm gonna look better tomorrow, but today I'm tired, I'm drained. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about us losing this offer. This is the not so fun part about real estate, because you know, you want to advise your clients to do what's best and, you know, not let them overpay on a property, but at the same time it's like, you know, they want what they want. What's for you is for you. I think pretty much all realtors say that, because it's honestly true. Like, sometimes we'll lose an offer and then you find something 10 times better than the property that you lost offer on. So don't sweat it, kid. If it's you that has lost the offer, please don't sweat it. You know, don't beat yourself up, don't beat your realtor up. Sometimes people just come with it, you know what I mean? And they have that money to be able to bet it all. I will see y'all tomorrow morning for, it's not gonna be Vlogtober 4 tomorrow when I post, but I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, okay? Bye.